message. Flood watch in effect from 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Thursday afternoon. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a flood watch for portions of Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania, including the following areas in Ohio: Ashland, Ashtabula Inland, Ashtabula Lakeshore, Cuyahoga, Erie, Ohio, Geauga, Holmes, Huron, Knox, Lake, Lorain, Mahoning, Medina, Portage, Richland, Stark, Summit, Trumbull, and Wayne. In northwest Pennsylvania, Crawford, Pennsylvania, northern Erie, and southern Erie. From 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening through Thursday afternoon, slow-moving showers and thunderstorms are expected to affect northern Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania late Wednesday night into Thursday. Areas could receive 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, with up to 3 inches locally. Additional rainfall combined with already saturated soil could cause localized flooding in a short amount of time. Persistent thunderstorms over urban areas may also produce flash flooding. A flood watch means there is a potential for flooding based on current forecasts. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Stay tuned to Weather Radio for further details.